Well, Chinese scientists say they have succeeded in creating functioning sperm using embryonic stem cells from mice in a discovery that could hold the key to treating male infertility. Researchers say the technique has successfully produced healthy mouse offsprings in the laboratory. They say the next stage is to test the approach on other animals, such as primates, in anticipation of human studies in the future. Infertility is thought to affect up to 15% of couples, and about 1/3 of cases can be traced to the man.